Matt McCoy here. Your home is probably the most expensive purchase you'll ever make, right? Which is why protecting it is so important. But a homeowner's insurance policy doesn't just help pay for damage to your home, it can also help protect your finances. So how does it work exactly? The first part of your homeowner's policy, property coverage, helps pay for damages to your home or belongings. Property coverage consists of 4 sections: dwelling, other structures, personal property, and loss of use. Dwelling coverage pays for damage or loss to your home structure. It's important to have the right amount of coverage to fully rebuild your home in the case of a complete loss, also called replacement cost. You should also be aware of what types of causes called perils you're covered for if your home is damaged. Covered perils, and ones not covered, are listed in your policy. For example, fire and lightning are covered. One thing that's not covered on a homeowner's policy is flood. You'll need a separate flood policy for that. Detached buildings on your property, such as a shed or a garage, are covered by the second type of property coverage, other structures. The amount you're covered for is a percentage of your dwelling limits, which is another reason to make sure your home is insured to 100% of its replacement cost. Personal property covers the contents within your home, such as furniture, clothing, and appliances. Your contents coverage is also calculated as a percentage of your dwelling coverage. But certain types of items, like jewelry and silverware, are only covered up to a certain limit. So you are going to want to consider purchasing additional coverage for valuable items. If you can't stay in your home while damages are repaired, loss of use will pay for your temporary living expenses. Liability coverage is the second type of coverage in your homeowner's policy, and the one that helps protect your pocketbook. It covers damages to other people or their belongings that occur on your property that you are responsible for. Liability coverage is broken into 2 parts: personal liability and medical payments. Personal liability covers expenses stemming from a lawsuit if you're held legally liable for property damage or bodily injury to someone else while they're on your property. And medical payments covers any medical bills incurred by someone who is injured on your property. Just remember, liability protects your finances if someone else gets hurt at your house, or if you cause someone an injury while away from home. And property protects your home and its belongings. It's a lot to keep track of, but the more you know, the better you can protect your biggest investment and the rest of your finances from life's little uncertainties. Contact the Hartford to help you determine the homeowner's insurance coverage that's right for you.